Contributors keyword is a productivity tool to help photographers get faster at to register their photos on the Getty Images and iStock photos and spend more time creating. To start, we will need an image to register. Let's take this image as an example of what we will to register. Search for images that match with the image you want to register, choose up to 3 of them, and copy the keywords. First, select the agency you are getting the keywords from. It's very important. Otherwise you'll get errors. Paste the keywords on the contributors keyword fields. Use at least 1 field, and 3 at maximum. It doesn't matter how many keywords you paste. After that, press the Organize button. Start your analysis. Choose the ones that make sense and are semantic to your photo, and start to select them. The counter will start to show you how many keywords you have selected. There is no Select All button on purpose. The contributors keyword doesn't incentive contributors to copy a full list from an image. If you finish your selections, press the Select Keywords button. The system is showing the final keywords list, ready to paste on the ESP keywords field. If you want to change something, to exclude one keyword or to add a new one, press the Refine Keywords button. You will get back to the list you already selected. If everything is okay for you, just press the Copy to Clipboard button. If you done, press the New Research button to start again. I hope this is useful for you. Get in touch with any improvements, suggestions and other thoughts. I appreciate it.